Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your PowerPoint app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go here above your foot, or you just go down, you just click here on open down here. When you just click here on open, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on share it with me here. So then it's going to take you to this list. In here you will find our presentations. Share it with you here will appear here in this list. Like you see, I have no presentation share it with me yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.